Today we're looking at a new feature in MarkMagic version 11 for the AS400, and that's the ability to print your output as an image file. So a JPEG file, a JPG file, or a GIF image, GIF, or PNG. So you may be used to outputting your labels and forms as PDF files, which would be setting the EML dev, emulated device parameter, to PDF. And then you would specify on the IFS a path and then the name of your output file as .pdf. We're using that same emulated device parameter here, and there's a whole bunch more new values here that can be specified for emulated device. So star PNG, star JPEG, star GIF, star PNG. We're looking at all the different rotations as well for these. So you tack on the rotation right after the star PNG 90 or 180, 270. So it'll output a PNG rotated 90, rotated 180 and 270 and so forth. So you basically specify the file type that you want along with the rotation in the emulated device parameter. So I'll back up one here and we'll do a PNG rotated 90. So MarkMagic is gonna print to the IFS. So we still have to specify a print to file. So I'll just put it in this output folder that I've been using, /home Cybra output, and then we'll do ship label.png. So I'm printing a zebra label as an image file to the IFS. So along with creating it as a PNG rotated 90 degrees, there are other options here now for setting the color. So the color space, so whether you want it to be full RGB, so anything that was color on it, like images, they'll stay as color. You can also specify, there's the default star RGB, grayscale. So those images will be lighter or darker depending on their intensity of the colors, or just straight black and white. So one bit depth monochrome images can be output from MarkMagic. And that's with the image color setting here. So we're going to set it to *BW for black and white. Along with this image output is the ability to scale it as well. So we can rotate it, change the color space, and also scale the outputted image. So I'm doing 33% here. So it's a PNG output rotated 90 degrees, and we're also scaling it and changing it to black and white. So let me run that print. It finished. Going back out to my IFS here in the output directory, and it created the PNG. There it is, rotated 90 degrees, straight black and white, and it's scaled down a bit. So very cool. So I'll back up. We'll look at another one. Do back to that same print command. I'm using a new data source, by the way. So check out some of the other new updates in version 11 MarkMagic. The ability to print from a CSV file. So we'll check that out. It's pretty cool. But I'll go back down to the image output settings here. Let's try a different one. JPEG 180. We'll do RGB. We'll do 75%. And then you have to name it .jpg. Ship label.jpg. And on print. Go back out here. There's the JPEG file. Open that one up. 180. And we have the color now because we had it set to star RGB. And it's just rotated 180 now. So it's very cool. There's a lot of different options for output. Go back and check them all out. All the different rotations, file types, GIF, JPEG, PNG, all the different color options, RGB, grayscale, black and white, and then scaling. You can scale up or down. You can scale X and Y individually, so you can stretch the image out left and right, keeping the height the same, etc. I just did whole scaling here in the just specifying the single value, and then you just name the file with the proper extension, and you can get very cool output image. So I'll do one final one. We'll do GIF, no rotation, so I'll just leave it blank there. We'll do a grayscale, 100%. GIF. Just to show you all three different types. There it is. GIF image, grayscale, and 0-degree rotation left at 100% scaling. So thanks for joining us today to look at this new feature in MarkMagic 11, the image output feature. Thanks.